northeastern Pulaski County, Illinois, Massac County, Illinois, central Polk County, Illinois, northeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Karnak or 10 miles northwest of Metropolis, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Metropolis, Karnak, Joppa, and New Grand Chain. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 27 and 37. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Massac, Polk, and Pulaski, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken.